Ta-da! Oh gosh. Hi guys, so babe stayed up almost all night awake to watch a track championship. So here's the morning and Hubby want to take care of Tyler today, so I'm gonna let her sleep. This baby awake. Hi. Ça va? You tired? Maybe it's just hungry, so I just made this bottle and that's how the day can start, with a good bottle. Alright, so here we go, that's how the day starts. A good boy, drinking by himself his bottle now. So here you go, Tyler finishes his bottle. Thank you. Thank you. What you want now? Right, so he finished by himself his bottle. So now he's full of energy, he's ready to jump everywhere in the house. So I'm gonna make sure he's not gonna wake up babe and gonna take care of him. Qu'est-ce que tu veux? Qu'est-ce que tu veux? Hein? So Tyler every day got fruits. So today, qu'est-ce que c'est? Ah, some tangerine. Qu'est-ce que tu veux faire aujourd'hui? Tu vas aller au parc? You want to go to the park today? What you want to do? So today, guys, doesn't look like a bad day. The weather forecast was saying that it's gonna rain, but we heard a little bit of rain. We were sleeping, but as long as it's in the night, that's fine. So this is how outside looks. So let's see what we're gonna do for sure. I'm gonna bring Tyler to the park. There's two parks close. There's a little baby park that I think you can see. You can see in the bottom. He's just here behind the swimming pool. There's just a little baby park. Otherwise, we have to walk about 10 minutes, and there's a bigger park with a lot of kids. So if we can, we're going to the big park so Tyler can have fun with other kids. All right. So I'm gonna get my breakfast, and we catch you guys. Alright, so because babe is sleeping and she's the one who used to cook and I don't feel for cooking today. Look, Tyler just finished his tangerine. They give it back to me. So I'll just make some cereals for me like a little kid. And Tyler's about to eat my cereals. You want cereals, Tyler? You want cereals? He's trying to say please. What do you say? Thank you? No? Thank you? Please?
No.
Please?
Please?
Oui. Alright, so this is gonna be my breakfast. So you finish? Ta-da! Tu as fini? Tu as fini? C'était bon? Oh gosh, I'm tired. So I'm just gonna wait a little bit and put him to bed. Don't want to put him to bed now because just finished to eat. But look, he's falling asleep. Ta-da! Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Sleeping. Oops. Eh? 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 Oh, papa est méchant. This is, oh Lord. Oh Lord.
Say hello. Say hello. I'm brushing my teeth. You said hello? Say hi. Nothing? You just wanna come all over me? Hmm? You just wanna come all over me? And be quiet? Oh, look at that mouth! Look at the mouth! Ah. Papa take over. Papa take over. Hey Fabs, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. I don't even have the vibes for you guys this morning. That's how I wouldn't say I'm tired because I slept in. When I say I slept in, I mean I slept in.
Oui.
Mama. Yes, baby. Mama. Yes, baby. I love you. Mwah.
Mwah.
Tata. 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 That's not Tata up there. That's Mama. He's pointing on the picture up there and saying Tata. That's not Tata. That's Mama. That's Mama. That's not Tata. Yeah, that's Tata over there. You guys, last night was one of the most memorable nights I've ever had. 2017 championship, if you follow me, was one of the best. My school retained the title, and that's awesome. I went to bed this morning. I went to bed this morning at 4:30 a.m. So I slept in, and the boys, I think Babe talked to you guys this morning. I don't know how much he vlogged, but I think Babe vlogged this morning with him and Tyler. I slept in, I slept because it was really hard for me throughout the entire week to stay up for this championship, but it's over and it was well worth it. And I slept in to kind of recover. So Babe bring me breakfast in bed, so that was awesome. Thanks Babe, and thanks for taking care of Tyler. So I'm actually trying to condition my mind to go and get some killer workout in a bit, because I slacked off this week a lot this week. I eat like crazy over the weekend, but yeah, when those things happen, I just get back to it like I ain't never left. So I definitely gonna work out, and then yeah, just continue on my day from there. Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day. It's actually raining outside. It's not a beautiful day here today at all. So baby's just here chilling. On that note, I'm just gonna go ahead and give you the Jamaican expression for today. The Jamaican expression for today is yes, so nice. And yes, so nice is just an exciting expression, just like how my team won and we were excited and all that. You would hear a lot of people say yes, yes, so nice. So when you're excited about something, that's a good expression for you to say, "Ah, yeah, so nice." Say it, babe.
Ah, yeah, so nice.
Yes. So there you have him take on the Jamaican expression for today, and he's just here messing around with Tyler. Tyler, you wanna say hello? Yes, baby.
Ah, yeah, so nice. Tyler, say ah, yeah, so nice.
Yes, baby. You guys, workout is donezo. Why is these strings? Why don't I cut these strings on the shirt though? Workout is done. I feel refreshed. I feel good. Make sure you guys get your workouts in today. Yes, baby. Yes, my love. Look at him. He's right here calling mama. So yeah, workout is done and I am about to go make some dinner real quick because I'm super hungry. I really haven't eaten anything properly today apart from some fruits. And now I am going to make dinner because I really need a good dinner. So I'm going to season up this chicken, throw some in the oven with some veggies, and that's what dinner is gonna be for tonight. So let's go. Okay, you guys, so dinner is ready and everybody's happy. We're about to go in real quick and eat because we're super duper hungry. You guys, dinner was good. It was really good. But I'm about to give Tyler a bath right now and put him to bed because it's his bedtime and he's here playing. Hey, Baba, let's go. It's bedtime. Come on. Look at the floor with all these toys. Come, baby. I'm not playing. Come. Die.
Sinon, c'est moi qui t'amène comme ça. Allez.
It's bedtime, silly boy. It's bedtime, silly. It's bedtime. It's bedtime. Come. He loves to play so much. It's bath time. It's bath time. Say bye bye.
Bye bye.
Love them kids. Tyler is off to bed as you guys can see, and this thing keep bothering me. Babe and I is actually going to have a little moment, so we're just coming on to end the vlog.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed our vlog today. It wasn't a lot because we stay at home, raining outside, but hopefully you still enjoyed it. And if you like it, you thumbs up. Don't forget to
Subscribe.
Share,
Comment down below, chit chat with us. Make sure you guys go and catch up with the Jamaican expression for today. We love you guys. Thanks for watching, and if it's your first time watching, make sure that you subscribe, catch up, and keep up with us, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.